Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use LinkedIn to find a job. And the first step that you need to do is click here on the search bar and then write down something that you want to search for. Now I want to search as a teacher, so then I click here on teacher in jobs. So right now we can also select the country where we want to search for jobs. So let's say I'm living in United States. Now let's say I want to be teacher there, then we can search for teacher at the United States or states, and then let's see PA teacher in Chicago. Now let's click on that. And right now if you want to apply, we just click here on apply and we can fill in all the details of this job. The other way is search for a recruiter and text that recruiter. So that recruiter can help you out with all your questions, or that recruiter can just apply you, and that costs you a lot of time. So if you close this, then you can search here underneath somewhere for a recruiter if the recruiter is available right there. If you can't find a recruiter, then they don't have a recruiter. But this is the way how you can apply for a job. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.